Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over Kartra surveys. I'm going to give you an example of how to set it up and pretty much what it looks like. If you'd like to follow along, I will leave my link down below in the description, where if you click that, not only can you get a free Kartra trial, but it'll be extended to a full 30 days. So on the left, there's going to be a icon for surveys. Here I am. For this, I'm just going to do the traditional survey. We can expand your lead profiles or gather anonymous market data. So let's click on this. Alright, so here we have it with the My Survey. Let's just say this is going to be a survey for if someone completed a course and you want to get an idea of did they like it, what did they rate it, and how can we improve. There's a lot of different reasons why you can use a survey, but that's just going to be one of them. So for example, let's just say Marketing Island course as an example. I'm going to add my logo very quickly. Save and next. So ideally, in case you haven't used Kartra before, what you want to do is you're going to start off on each section. You're going to go through everything has a green check mark. Sometimes it'll say configure for later, but ultimately when you want to finally finish it, just all of these are going to need to be done for future notice. Okay. So contacts. So survey contacts. This is time where you can go to the builder and pretty much create it how you want. Let's go to Launch Builder. Alright, now we are here, and it's pretty easy to navigate. There's going to be this section for an intro cover if you want to do that, but I'm just going to very quickly add a couple of questions. Let's say we were talking about rating it, so I'm going to go with only text, and we have a rating score. Very easy to do, right? How did you think? If someone gives it a 1, they're probably going to have a lot to tell you, something like, what did you think of the course? Okay, and here you could probably put a little bit more, rate it from a 1 to 5 star. We can change around the color if we want, but I already have it on green, more of a tropical vibe. Let's go with another question right here. You could do text and image, text and image, text and video if you want to do that. I'll just click on it so you can see. We have a text long answer. Let's go with that. Okay, maybe there's the video view saying, how could we improve? That's really up to you if you want to add that in. It could be a nice touch. Obviously a little bit more. If there's something else you'd want to see, maybe case studies, coaching, live calls, whatever it's going to be, right? And what you can do is pretty much go through and keep adding the questions as well. Last but not least here, we do want to add our success. So if we click on success, we can do a congratulations or redirect to another page. Up to you. I'm just going to display a confirmation message. You could do well done, well done, well done, CTA and video. Once again, up to you. I'm just going to go with this one and do save. Congratulations, and this is where you can edit this around. This is pretty much business as usual. It's kind of like using the landing page editor where you can just change around a few things. Up to you, but at the end of the day, let's just do save and preview. Open preview. There is the logo. So what do you think of the course? I loved it. Let's do next. And of course, how can we improve the course? Ideally, this would be like a video of you, talking to them, giving some insight. How can we improve? What did you like? What didn't you like? You could probably explain it a little better, but it was the best ever. Next. Okay. And just like that, little congratulations. That's just a very basic one. So that's what it looks like when it comes to using the actual editor. So let's go back here. Since we have saved it, let's do save and exit. So that's actually the first step. After that, let's go to save and next. So contents, you can send an email confirmation if you want to do that. I'm just going to keep that off. Like I said, a lot of these you can do configure later if needed and come back to it, but I'm just going to click on save. And we also have automations. Once again, if you really want to be crafty with this, you can do a lot of cool advanced things. So whether you assign tags, subscribe to lists, subscribe to sequences, or even automations, it's going to be up to you. If you're doing this with customers and they've already gone through a course, you probably don't need to subscribe them to a list unless you just want to subscribe to a different sequence or do different automations. That's going to be up to you because that really depends on how you want to treat your leads or customers, how you already have them. But this is going to be the section where you can do that. Last but not least, we go to save and exit, and we can do JavaScript. No, thank you. Not a fan of that, but Kartra hosted page is pretty much what we just looked at. Let's copy this and I'll open it up. And there it is. Obviously the example that I already went through. And that's pretty much going to do it when it comes to the Kartra surveys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And of course, if you want to test out Kartra, they do come with a free trial in the description, and that's extended to a free full 30 days. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.